Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring a spaceship and an astronaut. Let's start drawing. First, I draw an astronaut, starting with his head. He is wearing an astronaut suit with a big round hat. Then I draw his hand. His hand is raised like this. Now I'm drawing his astronaut suit. It protects astronauts while they are in outer space. Please like this video and subscribe to the Colorful Cute Kids channel to support us. Thank you so much! Then I draw a spaceship. First, I draw the nose of the spacecraft like this. I continue to draw the rocket engine. Now I'm going to use this ruler to draw straight lines like this. It helps our spaceship look like it's moving. Then I use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I use black to paint the head of the astronaut suit. Then I color this part of the spaceship red. For this part of the rocket engine, I also use red to paint. Yellow. Please Please like this video to support us. Thank you so much. Then I color this part sky blue. For this rocket engine, I also use sky blue to paint. Gray. Do you dream of becoming an astronaut to fly into outer space? When I was a child, I used to dream like that. Of course, it was just a dream. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.